Hi students, welcome back to online classes. So see the next question. In the previous class we are completed the up to question number 7. So see the question number 8. So what is the question number 8 is a die is thrown 3 times. A die is thrown 3 times. A die is thrown 3 times. Three times. So they are asking that E. What is E? E. 4 appears on the third toss. 4 appears on the third toss. And F. What is F? F. 6 and 5. 6 and 5 appears. 6 and 5 appears respectively on first 2 tosses. First 2 tosses. So that is the question, students. So what they are giving that? So a die is thrown 3 times. A die is thrown 3 times. So what is the E? E is 4 appears on the third toss. 4 appears on the third toss. And 6 and 5 appears respectively on the first 2 tosses. So then they are asking, you have to calculate that probability of E given by F. Probability of E given by F. So see this one, students, how to solve this one. So see the solution. Given, what is that? Given a die is thrown 3 times. 3 times. Let S be the sample space. S be the sample space. Then N of S is equal to, what is N of S? N of S is nothing but, you can take that. So you are rolling the die with 3 times. So that is nothing but, how many number of outcomes you will get that? 6 into 6 into 6. If you are roll a die for 1 time, you will get a 6. If you are roll the die for 2 times, you will get a 6 into 6. If you are roll the die for 3 times, you will get that 6 into 6 into 6. That is nothing but 6 cube. Are understanding that? So that is nothing but, you will get that 2, 1, 6. So that is nothing but the number of outcomes in the sample space is 216. So what is the E? Let E. What is E? Let E be the event. Let E be the event of getting. Let E be the event of getting 4 appears on the third toss. 4 appears on the third toss. Third toss. So what is this meaning is? So 4 appears on the third toss meaning is E is equal to what is that event? You will get that. So how many outcomes I will give you that one? See here, 4 appears on the third toss meaning is, so how many times you are rolling that? 3 times. You are tossing that 3 times. So here you have to get only 4. The third toss you have to get the 4. That meaning is, here 2 tosses are there. In these 2 tosses you will get a 6 into 6, that is nothing but 36 outcomes into this value. You will get, here it is a 4. That meaning you will get a 1 only. So that meaning is, you have to understand that in the third toss you have to get a 4. In the third toss you have to get the 4. What about the first 2 tosses? You will get a 6 by 6. That is nothing but 36 outcomes you will get that. So see that carefully first. So what is that outcomes are? 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 4, next 1 comma 2 comma 4, next 1 comma 3 comma 4, next 1 comma 4 comma 4, next 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5 comma 4, comma 1 comma 6 and 4. 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6. The last third one is the same, that is the 4. Similarly you will get that 2 comma 1 comma 4 and 2 comma 2 comma 4 and so on 2 comma 6 comma 4. Next 3 comma 1 comma 4, 3 comma 2 comma 4 and so on 3 comma 6 comma 4. Similarly 4 comma 1 comma 4, 4 comma 2 comma 4 and so on 4 comma 6 comma 4. Next 5 comma 1 comma 4 and 5 comma 2 comma 4, 4 comma 6 comma 4, that is the not of 4, it is the 5 comma 6 comma 4. Next 6 comma 1 comma 4, 6 comma 2 comma 4, 6 comma 6 comma 4. So these are the outcomes. So that meaning is here the first two tosses you will get any number, but in the fourth one, in the third toss you have to get the 4 only. In these chances you will get a 1 to 6, any one. In the second chance, in the second toss you will get any one, but in the fourth chance you have to get the 4 only. That meaning is the total number of outcomes is 36 outcomes are there for E be the event of getting a 4 appears on the third toss. How many outcomes are there? 36 outcomes. So that is nothing but here n of E is equal to, what is n of E? Therefore n of E is equal to 36. N of E is equal to 36. Next, what is F? Let F be the event, let F be the event, let F be the event of getting, let F be the event of getting 6 and 5 appears respectively on first two tosses. 6 and 5 appears appears respectively on first two tosses. So that meaning is, what is F? So see here, the first two tosses you have to get 6 and 5 only. That meaning is already we are restricting that. Here you are getting a 6 and here you are getting the 4 only. That meaning is it has only one chance, and it has only one chance. In this place you can get any one, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So that meaning is it has a 6 chances. It has a 6 chances. That meaning is you can get any one, but we will get that is F is equal to, in the first two chances you have to get a 6 and 5 only. You have to change only the third toss. What is that one? That is nothing but you will get the pairs 6 comma 5 comma 1. Next 6 comma 5 comma 2. The first two tosses are fixed already, 6 comma 5. Only the third chance you will get that 1 2. Next 6 comma 5 comma 3. Next 6 comma 5 comma 4. Next 6 comma 5 comma 5. Next 6 comma 5 comma 5. 6 comma 5 comma 6. So see that one. So what is the F? F is nothing but a 651, 652, 653, 654, 655, 656. So that is nothing but n of F is equal to n of F. What is n of F? N of F is nothing but a 6 only. So therefore P of F is equal to, that is nothing but n of F by n of S. So n of F value is nothing but a 6 by n of S is nothing but the 216. So next I will calculate E intersection F. What is E intersection F? E intersection F is equal to common. What is the intersection? You have to take that F, saying that you have to get a 6, 5 in the first toss. What is E saying? That you have to get a 4 on the third toss. What is the intersection? Intersection, you will get a first two tosses 6, 5, and the last toss you have to get a 4 only. That meaning is you have to get only one outcome. So that is nothing but you can take that. So 6, 6, 4, that is nothing but this preceding term is 6, 5, 4 is the preceding of this one. So this is only the common term here. 6, 5, 4 and 6, 5, 4 is the common term. Only one event is there. So that is nothing but in the E intersection you will get only 6, 5, 4. What is the pair? You will get that 6, 5, 4. Why? Because E, third toss you have to get 4. What is F? In the first toss you have to get a 6 and the second toss you have to get a 4 only, 5 only. So that meaning is the total outcome, the intersection you have to get first two tosses 6, 5 and the third toss you have to get the 4 only. That meaning is the outcome is 6, 5, 4 is the outcome. So E intersection F is nothing but a 6, 5, 4. So that is nothing but N of E intersection F. N of E intersection F is a 1 only. Therefore, probability of E intersection F is equal to N of E intersection F by N of S. So that is nothing but 1 by 216. But what is the question? Probability of E given by F. Probability of E given by F is nothing but probability of E intersection F by P of F. P of E intersection F by P of F. P of E intersection F value is 1 by 216 by, what is the P of F? P of F is nothing but 6 by 216. So 216 will be cancelled. You will get that 1 by 6 is the answer. So see that question, students. So what is that? So first E be the 4 appears on the third toss. 4 appears on the third toss. What about the first two? In the first you can shuffle the terms. It is in the third toss you have to get the 4, that is you will get a 1 only. But in the first two tosses the pairs you hence shuffle, that is nothing but 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Next 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 6. 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 5, 6, 6. So the third toss you have to get the 4 only. So how many outcomes you will get? That 36 outcomes you will get here. Next F. What is F? F is nothing but F be the event of getting 6 and 5. 6 and 5 appears respectively on the first two tosses. So 6 and 5 is already fixed. So that meaning is you have the chances only the third one only. So in the third one you can get 1 to 6. That is nothing but 6, 5, 1, 6, 5, 2, 6, 5, 3, 6, 5, 6, 5, 5, 6, 5, 6. So that is nothing but N of F is a 6 only. So what is the probability? N of F by N of S. So that is nothing but 6 by 216. So E intersection F. What is the E intersection F? E intersection F is nothing but the first E. What is E? The third toss you have to get a 4 only. The third toss you have to get a 4. In the first two tosses you have to get a 6 and a 5. So that meaning is the number is fixed. What is that? 6, 5, 4 you have to get. Are you understanding that the number is fixed? What is that number you have to get? 6, 5, 4 you have to get. That is the only one chance. So what is the probability of this one? That is nothing but 1 out of 216. 1 out of 216. Out of the 260 numbers, only one number. That is the 6, 5, 6. 6, 5, 4 only. Okay. So what is the probability of E given by F? Probability of E given by F is nothing but probability of E intersection F by probability of F. So probability of E intersection F value you are already calculated. P of F value is also you are calculated. Just substitute the values and cancel the denominators. You will get that 1 by 6. Okay. Are you understand, students? So see that question and practice that question. Okay. See the next question, question number 9. So what is the question number 9? See that one, students. Mother, father and son. Father and son line up at random. Line up at random For a family picture, so what is the event E? E is sun on one end and F. What is F? F is father in middle. Father in middle. Father in middle. So see this question, students, what they are giving that mother, father and son line up random for a family picture. So what is the E event? Sun on one end, F, father in middle, father in middle. So first we have to see this one. Let E be the event. Let E, what is that? Let E be the event of getting sun on one end. Sun on one end. So that is nothing but, what is this event E? E is nothing but, so that is nothing but son, mother and father, or son, father and mother. The sun, they have to stand at one end. So that meaning is I am taking that at the left side. Okay. So mother and father we can shuffle. Next, you can take the sun on the right side. So that is nothing but you can take that is father and mother and son, or mother, father and son. So what is this? E is equal to M, F, S. And also what is that N of E? N of E is equal to 4. N of E is equal to 4. And let S be the sample space. Let S be the sample space. Let S be the sample space. Then N of S. What is N of S? N of S is nothing but 3 members are there. 3 members are there. How many ways you can arrange them? They can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. How many ways you can arrange them? 3 factorial ways. That is nothing but you can arrange them in 6 ways. 3 factorial, 3 into 2 into 1. That is nothing but 6 ways you can arrange them. Are you understanding that? S be the sample space. Then N of S is equal to 3 factorial. That meaning is the 3 numbers. That is the mother, father and son. You can arrange them in 3 factorials. That is the N of S. Okay. So next, let F be the event. Let F be the event. Let F be the event of. Let F be the event of getting father in middle. Father in middle. So that meaning is, what is this arrangement is, that is F is equal to, F you can take it as a father in the middle. That meaning is you can take mother, father and son, or son, father and mother. So in the both the cases, father is in the middle. So what is the shuffle? You are shuffled that mother and son you are shuffled here. That's all. So what is N of F? N of F, it will become the 2 only. So therefore probability of F is equal to N of F by N of S. So that is nothing but the 2 by N of S value is nothing but a 6. I don't cancel that value. So I will remain the same. Okay. So next, E intersection F. Therefore E intersection F is equal to, what is E intersection F? Father is in middle and son is one end. Father is middle and son is one end. So what is that value is MFS. Here MFS is there. So here also you have a MFS is there. So we can take that intersection. SFM is also there. So you can take this is the intersection. What is that intersection? We can take that S, F, M and M, F, S. So that is nothing but that implies N of E intersection F. So that is equal to 2. So therefore probability of E give intersection F. So that is equal to N of E intersection F by N of S. So that is nothing but N of E intersection F value is a 2 by N of S value. N of S value, what is N of S value is a 6. So therefore, what is the question? You have to calculate P of E given by F. So that is equal to P of E intersection F by P of F. P of E intersection F value is nothing but the 2 by 6 by P of F value is also 2 by 6. You can cancel these values here. You will get the 1 only. You will get the 1. So see that question, students. So what is that one is? You can return that sample space in the beginning. So you can return this value here. Let S be the sample space. Then N of S is equal to 3 factorial, that is equal to 6. Okay. So that is nothing but next you can return that. Let A be the EB of the event of getting son on the one end. So take the E value and N of E. Then you can return that. F be the event of getting father in middle. F is equal to MFS, SFM. Then N of F is equal to 2. P of the probability of F is nothing but the 2 by 6. And the probability of E intersection F is also 2 by 6. You will get the probability of E given by F, that is equal to 1. Okay. So see this question, students. See the next question. What is the next question is? A black and red die are rolled. A black and red dice are rolled. First question, find the conditional probability of obtaining the sum greater than 9. You have to get the sum is greater than 9. Given that the black die resulted in a 5. That meaning is it is E and it is F. So they are asking you have to get a probability of E given by F. Are understanding that? Given that is F. Okay. So you have to calculate the probability, that is E. Given that is F. Are understanding that? After that, in the second question, what is the second question is? Find the conditional probability of obtaining the sum is 8. So this is E. Given that the red die resulted in a number less than 4. This is F. So here also they are asking probability of E given by F. Probability of E given by F. So see, students, how to solve this question is. So first, what is that? Given a black and red dice are rolled. So that implies what is the N of S? N of S is equal to, what is N of S, students? So that is nothing but the 6 into 6. So the outcome, the total outcomes are 36 outcomes. So the red die gives the 6 and the black die gives the 6. The total is 6 by 6 is 36 outcomes is the total number of outcomes in the sample space. What is that first E? What is E? Let E be the event of getting. Let E be the event of getting problem number A. So I am getting the first problem. Okay. Let E be the event of getting the sum greater than 9. Sum greater than 9. You have to get the sum greater than 9. So that is nothing but what is E? E is equal to, if you are rolling 2 dice, what is the sum greater than 9? So if you are roll the die, 2 dice, the sum starts with 2 only. The minimum value is 2. What is the maximum value? 6 plus 6 is 12 only. So that means you will get a 2 to 12 only. The sum you will get a 2 to 12 only. So but here the sum you have to get the 9. It's the sum you have to get greater than 9. That meaning is you have to get the sum you have to get a 10 or 11 or 12. You have to get, this is the meaning. The sum greater than 9 meaning is you have to get that 10, 11 or 12. So this is you have to get this. Okay. So first how to get the 10? What is the possibilities are to get the 10 only? So what is that? I will get that 5, that is the 4 comma 6. 4 comma 6. 4 plus 6 is a 10. Next 5 comma 5 comma 5. 5 comma 5 is a 10. Next 6 comma 4 only. 6 comma 4 only. You will get the 10 only. Yes or no? 4 6 5 5 6 4. You will get the 10. Yes or no? Any other chances are there? So only these are the chances. Next 11. How to get 11? So the 11 you have to get that. We have to get a 5 comma 6. 5 6 is 11 or 6 comma 5 is 11. So only two cases will be arises. What is F? F you have to get a 12. So that meaning is you have to get a 6 comma 6. Then only you will get the 12. So these are the possibilities. That is nothing but 4 6 the 10. Here it is a 10. It is 11 and it is a 12. So greater than 9. We have to get a 10, 11 or 12. So that is nothing but the 10, 11, 12. So that is nothing but n of e. What is n of e, students? N of e is equal to, n of e is nothing but a 6 only. So what is f? F is nothing but F. What is F? The black die resulted 5. So F be the event. Let F be the event of getting, F be the event of getting the black die, the black die resulted in a 5. So that is nothing but the black die. The black die is nothing but first one is a black and the second one is a red. The black die is a fixed. The number is a 5. So what is this one? This one you can take that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can get any one out of this here. That means 5 comma 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6. Any one you can get. So what is the F? F is the event of getting black. Black is a 5. So what is the red one? Red one can get any one number. So that is nothing but what is the F? F you can take in it as a 5 comma 1 and 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 4, 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6. 5 comma 6, you can get these numbers. So here n of f is equal to, what is the n of f? N of f is nothing but a 6 only. N of f is nothing but a 6 only. So that implies n of P of E is equal to, P of E is equal to n of E by n of S. So that is nothing but a 6 by 36. 6 by 36. So the next one I will take that E intersection F. So what is E intersection F is? So first one you have to get a 5. First case you have to get a 5 and the sum is you have to get a more than 9. So I will take here. So all these values are greater than 9. So what is the first die shows the 5? First die shows the 5. So here 5 comma 5 is there and here 5 comma 6 is there. 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6. We can verify that. 5 comma 5 and 5 comma 6. First die shows the 5 and the sum is more than 9. The sum is more than 9. So that meaning is the intersection, it contains the two pairs. So that is nothing but 5 comma 5 and 5 comma 6. So in this case n of E intersection F, n of E intersection F is equal to 2. So therefore probability of E intersection F you can take in it as n of E intersection F, n of E intersection F by n of S. So that is nothing but n of E intersection F is a 2 by n of s is 36. N of s is 36. So that is nothing but what is the value is therefore what is the quotient? The quotient is nothing but a probability of E given by F. Probability of E given by F. So that is nothing but a probability of E given by F is nothing but probability of E intersection F by probability of F. What is the probability of E intersection F? Is nothing but 2 by 36 by probability of F is nothing but a 6 by 36. So that is nothing but the 2 by 6. So that is equal to 1 by 3. That is equal to 1 by 3. So see that question, students. So first what they are giving that a black and a red dice are rolled. So 2 dice are rolled. How many outcomes you will get that? 6 into 6, 36 outcomes you will get. What is E? E is nothing but the event of getting sum greater than 9. So that is the sum you have to get more than 9, meaning is 10, 11, 12. So 10, 4 comma 6, 5, 5 and 6 comma 4 is a 10. So how to get 11? 5, 6, 6, 5. How to get the 12? 6, 6. So the number of outcomes is here, it is a 6 only. So next I am taking that F be the event of getting the black die. What is the black die? On the resulted 5. So that is nothing but the first die shows the 5. So how many outcomes? The second die can show any number. So that meaning is it will give you that 6 outcomes. So n of f is equal to 6. The probability is nothing but n of e by n of s. Similarly, E intersection f. What is E intersection f? In the first die you have to get a 5 and the sum you have to get a more than 9. So that is nothing but 5 comma 5 and 5 comma 6. So n of E intersection f is 2. Then the probability of E intersection f, it will become that 2 by 36. After getting this, what is the problem they are asking? You have to calculate that probability of E given by F. Probability of E given by F is nothing but probability of E intersection F by probability of F. Probability of E intersection F value is 2 by 36 and probability of F value is nothing but what is the probability of F? Is the probability of F. It is nothing but a probability of F actually. It is not a probability of E, it is a probability of F. It is a probability of F. Okay. Probability of F value is 6 by 36 and probability of E intersection F is 2 by 36. You can cancel this 36 here, you will get a 2 by 6. 2 by 6 is nothing but a 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Okay. So see that question, students. And also similarly, what is the second question? In that one, in the same question, they are giving the second one is so see the second question. What is the second question, students? So find the conditional probability of obtaining the sum is 8. The sum you have to get 8 only, given that the red die resulted in a number less than 4. The resulted less than 4. That is resulted in a number less than 4. So that meaning is first what we have to take that one. I am already told that one. This what is the probability they are asking? That is E. Given that meaning already one event is occurred. So what is that event is? The red die resulted in a number is less than 4. That is already occurred. So that is F. So first we have to take that given a black and a red dice are rolled, the sample space n of s is equal to 36. N of s is equal to 36, or you can written as S be the, let S be the sample space, let S be the sample space, let S be the sample space. That implies n of s is equal to 6 into 6, so that is equal to 36. So here what is the problem B is? So first what we will take that, let E be the event, let E be the event of getting, let E be the event of getting the sum, getting the sum 8. You have to get the sum is 8. So how to get the sum is 8 here? That meaning is E is equal to, what is the possibilities are, students? 2 comma 6 and 3 comma 5 and 4 comma 4, 4 comma 4, next one is 5 comma 3, next one is 6 comma 2. So this is the 8. You have to get a sum is 8. You have to get the possibilities 2 6 3 5 4 4 5 3 6 2. Then you will get the sum is 8. That meaning is n of e is equal to 5. N of e is equal to 5. Next, what is f? F is important, students. What is that one is? The red die resulted in a number less than 4. So that meaning is let F be the event, let F be the event of getting, let F be the event of getting the red die, resulted in a number less than 4, less than 4. So what is F? So see here, students, first one is the black one and the second one is the red one. So that is the meaning is that, so two dice are there, so here the second die is a red, so second die is a red and the first one is a black. What they are giving that restriction? Red die resulted in a number less than 4. This is the red die. You can take less than 4 is nothing but 1 comma 2 comma 3. So out of these 3 you can get any one, but in the first die is the black die. You can take any number. So that meaning is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Any one you can get here. That meaning is it is a 6 and it is a 3. So total is a 6 into 3. That is 18 outcomes you will get. 18 outcomes you will get. So that is nothing but F. What is F? See here, students. F is equal to. So take the pairs. What is the pairs is possible? 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3. So that is nothing but 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3. Next, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3. Next, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2 and 3 comma 3. Next, 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2 and 4 comma 3. Next, 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3. Next, 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2 and 6 comma 3. So these are the outcomes for F only. So what is n of F? N of F is nothing but 6 into 3, that is nothing but 18. So therefore probability of F is equal to n of F by n of S. So what is n of F, students? That is the 18 by n of S. What is n of S? Is 36. So therefore I will take that E intersection F is equal to E intersection F, meaning is, so what is the elements? You have to get that. So you can take the values here, students. So in the red die you have to take a less than 4. In the red die less than 4, here it is the less than 4 and it is also less than 4. Yes or no? In the second one you have to get a less than 4. 5 3 6 2 less than, this is the number is less than 4. You can take this pair here. You can take that 5 comma 3 is here and 6 comma 2 is there. So there is no another terms here. Check this one, 2 comma 6. 2 comma 6 is not there. 3 comma 5 is not there. 4 comma 4 is not there. But 5 comma 3 is here and 6 comma 2 is here. So what is the E intersection F? E intersection F is nothing but 5 comma 3 and 6 comma 2. So this is the intersection. So therefore probability of E intersection F is equal to, probability of E intersection F is equal to n of E intersection F by n of S. So that is nothing but the 2 by 36. 2 by 36. Therefore what is the question? Probability of E given by F is equal to, probability of E given by F is equal to, that is nothing but probability of E intersection F by probability of F. What is the probability of E intersection F? That value is nothing but the 2 by 36 by, what is the P of F? P of F is nothing but 18 by 36. So that is nothing but the 36 will be cancelled. That is nothing but the 2 by 18. So that is nothing but 1 by 9. 1 by 9. So see this question, students. What is the conditions? E. This is the important conditions. E and F. How to take these conditions? If you can understand that, the problem will become very easy. So see that once again, students. What is E? E be the event of getting the sum is 8. How to get the sum is 8? So add these terms, you will get the sum is 8. So N of E is equal to, okay. Next F. F is important here. The red die shows the number less than 4. Though that meaning is, this is the red die, less than 4 meaning is it can shows 1, 2, 3 only. So in the first die you can take any number, but in the second die it shows a 1, 2, 3 only. Why? Because less than 4. So what is the pairs is possible? 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. Next 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. Next and so on 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3. So that is the possibilities are here. So this is the possibilities. N of F is equal to 18. P of F is equal to 18 by 36. Next E intersection F. Take the intersection of these two sets. You will get that 5, 3 and 6, 2. So then P of E intersection F, it will become that N of E intersection F by N of S. So that is equal to 2 by 36. After getting this value, probability of E intersection F, you can take that P of E intersection F by P of F. So that is nothing but a 2 by 36, 18 by 36. You will get the 2 by 18. So that is nothing but 1 by 9. Okay. So see this question, students. See the next question, question number 11. So what is the question number 11 is, a fair die is rolled, consider event E is equal to 1, 3, 5 and F is equal to 2, 3 and G is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the events, they are already given. Okay. P is equal to, what is the conditions they are asking? You have to calculate the probability of E given by F, probability of F given by E, and probability of E given by G, and probability of G given by E only. Okay. And also probability of E union F given by G, and probability of E intersection G given by G. So these two values you have to calculate. Okay. So see the students how to solve these conditions. So see the solution. So the first one is, first I will take that given a fair die is rolled, let S be the sample space, let S be the sample space. That implies N of S is equal to 6. So if you can roll the die, you will get only 6 outcomes. Okay. So first question, you have to calculate probability of E given by F and probability of F given by E. So first what we will calculate that? Probability of E is equal to given E is equal to, what is E? E is equal to 1, 3, 5. So that implies N of E is equal to, what is N of E? N of E is equal to 3. So probability of E is equal to N of E by N of S. So that is equal to that is a 3 by 6. Next F is equal to, what is F, students? F is equal to 2, 3. So that implies N of F is equal to N of F, that is equal to 2. So that implies the probability of F is equal to N of F by N of S. So this value will become that 2 by N of F value is a 2 by 6. Similarly, G is equal to, what is the G? G is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. So that implies N of G is equal to 4. So that implies P of G is equal to, probability of G is equal to N of G by N of S. So what is N of G? N of G is a 4 by n of s is the 6. So first they are already given that E, F and G. I am calculated that probability of getting a E and probability of getting F and probability of getting the G only. Okay. So after getting this first question you have to calculate. So what is the first question, students? So first question you have to calculate the probability of E intersection F, that is the E given by F, and probability of F given by E. If you want to calculate these two, you have to calculate first E intersection F. So E intersection F is equal to E intersection F is equal to, first you have to consider this one. What is the E intersection F? E intersection F, what is the common event for these two is 3 only. So I will take that 3 only. E intersection F. Intersection means it is what is the common elements, that is nothing but 3 only. So that implies n of E intersection F, n of E intersection F is a 1. Therefore probability of E intersection F, it will become that n of E intersection F by n of s only. So that implies n of E intersection F is a 1 by n of s is nothing but a 6. Next, therefore, what is the problem they are asking? Probability of E given by F is equal to, probability of E given by F is equal to probability of E intersection F by probability of F. So that is equal to probability of E intersection F is a 1 by 6 by probability of F. What is the probability of F? You are already calculated, that is a 2 by 6. So that is nothing but a 6 will be cancelled, it will become that 1 by 2. It will become 1 by 2. So that is nothing but you will get the value is a 1 by 2. See the next one is what is the probability of F given by E. Probability of F given by E is, what is the probability of F given by E? So that is nothing but a probability of E intersection F by probability of E. So what is the probability of E intersection F? You are already calculated, that value is a 1 by 6 by probability of E. Probability of E is nothing but, what is the probability of E, students? That is nothing but a 3 by 6. So it will become that 1 by 3. So that is the conditions you have to calculate. Or you understand that? See the second question. What is the second question is probability of E given by G and probability of G given by E. So how to calculate that value is. So see this one. In the similar model, I will calculate that. First, you have to calculate that E intersection G value. First, you have to calculate that E intersection G is equal to E intersection G. What is the common elements for these two is, so that is nothing but a 3 and 5 is the common. So you can take that 3 comma 5. So that implies n of E intersection G, that value is 2. That value is 2. So after getting this value, you can calculate that probability of E intersection G is equal to, probability of E intersection G is equal to n of E intersection G by n of S. So this value will become that 2 by 6. This value is 2 by 6. So what is the questions are? First question is probability of E given by G. What is the probability of E given by G is equal to, probability of E given by G is equal to probability of E intersection G by probability of G. So probability of E intersection G value is 2 by 6 by P of G. What is the P of G, students? P of G is a 4 by 6. So it will become that a 4 by 6. So it will become that 6 will be cancelled. It will become that 2 by 4. So 2 by 4, it will become that 1 by 2. It will become that 1 by 2. So after getting this value, you can take that P of G given by E is equal to, what is the P of G given by E is equal to, that is nothing but a probability of E intersection G by probability of E. So probability of E intersection G value you are already calculated, that value is a 2 by 6 by probability of E value. What is the probability of E? Is the 3 by 6. So you can cancel that value here. 6 will be cancelled. It will become that 2 by 3. It will become 2 by 3. So see that question, students. So first one is the probability of E given by F and the probability of F given by E. If you want to calculate these two, you have to calculate first E intersection F value. Then you can calculate the probability of E intersection F, then substitute that value, you will get the answer. But if you want to calculate that E by G, that is a E given by G or a probability of G given by E, first you have to calculate that E intersection G, then calculate the probability of that. Then apply the formula, you will get the answer. Okay. So see that question, students. And the last one, we have to get that. What is the last one is? Third one. So calculate this value, third one is. So if you want to calculate this problem, first you have to calculate E union F given by G. So first you want to calculate this value. What is that one is? Third one. Two cases are there. This one is different and this one is different. Okay. So first I will calculate this. So first you have to calculate that E union F intersection G. I will calculate that E union F intersection G. So what is this meaning is E union F. So E union F meaning is you have to take all the terms of E and F. So what is that? 1, 2, 3 and 5. Intersection G. What is the G? G is nothing but 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the intersection, students? The intersection is what is the common elements? 2, 3, 5 is the common. So 2, 3 and 5. So that implies N of E union F intersection G is equal to 3. So therefore probability of E union F intersection G is equal to probability, that is the N of E union F intersection G by N of S. So that is nothing but N of E union F intersection G value is a 3 by N of S value is a 6. N of S value is a 6. So therefore, what is the quotient? The quotient is nothing but the probability of first one, this value. Probability of E union F intersection E union F given by G is equal to probability of E union F given by G is equal to, what is this formula, students? So already know the formula, probability of E union F intersection G by probability of G. So probability of E union F intersection G value is 3 by 6 by, what is the probability of G? Probability of G value is 4 by 6. So you can take this value here, it is the 4 by 6. So what is the terms you can cancel that? 6 will be cancelled. It will become that 3 by 4. It will become 3 by 4. Are you understand that? So first, if you want to calculate this value, first you have to calculate E union F intersection G. That value you have to calculate first. Then calculate that probability and replace the value here. So in that question, in this question you are completed this one. Next you have to calculate this. So in this one it is A. Okay. So I will calculate the B value. So next you have to calculate that. What is the next one is? See that? See the next one is, what is the B? That is nothing but this value is, that is I will take that B, don't confuse that. So E intersection F given by G. First you have to take the intersection of these two sets. So that is nothing but, first I will take that E intersection F intersection G. I will take this value. E intersection F intersection G. So what is the meaning is the intersection of these three sets. What is the common element of these three sets is? Tell me that. What is the common element of these three sets? Observe that three sets, only one number is there. What is that? 3. 3 is the common element for the E, F and G. Are you understanding that? E intersection F intersection G is nothing but what is the common element of these three sets? That is nothing but only one element is there, that is the 3 only. So that implies n of E intersection F intersection G, it will become the 1. Therefore, probability of E intersection F, probability of E intersection F intersection, that is the probability of E intersection F intersection G is equal to, that is nothing but n of E intersection F intersection G by n of S. So that is nothing but what is this probability, students? That is nothing but 1 by 6. So therefore, what is the question? Therefore, probability of E intersection F given by G. This is the probability they are asking. Probability of E intersection F given by G. That is the value. So how can you write on this one? This is nothing but a probability of E intersection F intersection G by probability of G. So what is this value, students? This value is nothing more, you are already calculated. That value is 1 by 6. So next, what is the probability of G? Probability of G is nothing but a 4 by 6. So that is nothing but a 4 by 6. Cancel that value, students. You will get 1 by 4. So you will get 1 by 4. So see that question, students. So if you want to calculate this value, so probability of A given by B or probability of E intersection F by G, first you have to take the intersection of these two sets, E intersection F intersection G. First calculate that value and then calculate the probability of that. Then take that probability of conditional probability of E intersection F given by G. What is the formula? Probability of E intersection F by G form. Probability of E intersection G, that is the E intersection F by intersection probability of F form. So apply the formula, already you are calculated these values here and substitute that values, then you will get the answer. Okay. So see this question, students, and complete that examples of before this exercise. So complete all the examples before this exercise 13.1. Okay. So see that question, students, and we will continue in the next class. Okay.